What's going on with crypto market? Why Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum is dropping? Where would be potential bottom? Let's analyze it together. First, let's cover with you the main reason why Solana is dropping, because main reason why Solana is dropping because there was massive culmination. And let me show to you what this stuff means. When we open bigger time frame, especially daily time frame, you would see that Solana did this massive volume spike exactly at high. Why does this matter? Because that's example for you how market maker sells their coins, especially during best positive news. Have a look. At this moment in front of your eyes, you can see spot volume. It is aggregated volume on Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, OKX, and futures volume also top exchanges. And pay attention, my friend, that it was exactly a top. Also pay attention that Solana was in massive uptrend compared to entire market. So Solana did from this range after FTX liquidation, Solana did more than 1,000% of a rise. That's a reason why those people, how this stuff works. Just imagine yourself. Let's do it on TradingView because here we have better charting tools. What you need to remember, there are always some people that buy and sell, and in most cases, big guys, they accumulate coins during such periods when there's big volume profile because they have a lot of time and a lot of opportunities. Plus, when we have really bad news, like here it was FTX crash, here was a news I remember even today that somehow FTX did bankruptcy and their funds would be released, and because of that, Solana would drop. But in reality, what happened, it was exactly a bottom. And those guys who bought Solana here during those super negative news, they made, just imagine how much they could make. 2,000 until this top, 2,900%. 2,900%. And of course, here, when you saw that Solana met with Trump team to start the Solana ETF, that's example for you how you sell the news. Buy the fear and sell the news. That's how it played out. It's so sad that I recorded, I remember, on TradingView analysis about Solana, and I remember when I recorded this update, and I shared to communities that often that's how trend ends. I thought that Solana would do higher high and at 300 better to sell. Solana didn't. Solana reversed before that, but that's exactly how the trend change. That's why for Solana it's okay that it's dropping. Where would be the best support for Solana? The best support for Solana would be around this $93. $93. It is spot volume. We have futures VWAP and spot VWAP. Spot VWAP, you can see it is here because Solana at this moment accepted this first deviation. You can see how previous times this first deviation was powerful support, and Solana came back. At this moment, major support, it is around 100 USD. That's why what you do here, it would be a really good place to consider taking long, and plus it would be this range low. Solana would take this entire range low, plus it would be point of control of this previous this local range. You can see it would be exactly point of control here around 100. It is untested point of control. That's why here I would advise you to consider some long trades. Also remember that the best long always is after a big volume spike. Pay attention on Solana. Nearly every time when there was massive volume spike, Solana did reversal. Like let's look on a daily time frame. You can see that best reversal, predictable reversal after such volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. When we have volume spike, it is predictable. That's why for Solana, it would be really awesome to make like bigger drop, bigger liquidation. In some cases, it won't happen. In some cases, price reverse through range, something like this. When price goes sideways and just simply create a range for days, weeks, sometimes even months. That's why at this moment, wait for two situations. One of them would be a bottom, or price make additional big drop, big volume spike. That's bottom, or price create a range. One of this would be a clear signal of a bottom for Solana. Let's go to our beautiful Bitcoin and Ethereum. Before I ask you to join our free public Telegram where we share free signals, educations that will help you understand the market, like this one. Here's the link. Sometimes we share a free video lesson. Sometimes I do market updates that will help you understand. Sometimes I invite you to live trading session. Like yesterday, we did live trading session and we made 1,000 USD during that live session. With us, you will understand the market and will start making money. Let's go to our beautiful Bitcoin, because Bitcoin at this moment, I think, is the most important for us. What about BTC? Bitcoin at this moment reached really important key area. And the most important question, will that key area hold it or not? Because if this key area won't hold it, in other case, it would be really painful. At this moment, you can see price reach the swing low. Plus, price at this moment far below this entire value. You can see price below this value area of this entire range. Also, pay attention that below we have this low volume node. That means until approximately 72, there is nearly no volume. That's why at this moment, like this level, it is what holds BTC from making really significant drop. On what we should pay attention. At this moment, with our community, I shared to them this update on BTC. I shared with them simple plan. If something like this appears, for me, it would be a signal that with bigger chance BTC won't make a drop. It is when price reach key level, we have massive delta, big volume spike. After that additional big volume, and price, you can see, did absorption. It is 1 hour time frame. Sometimes you can analyze this on 4 hour time frame. What do we have at this moment on BTC? On BTC, we have, at this moment, you can see massive volume, big liquidation. Bitcoin at this moment, it's super important for Bitcoin to close at least 1 hour, 2 hour candle above. Only this would be a confirmation of absorption. If something like this won't happen, it would be really a bad signal. It would be a signal that this trend go on. And until there would be big liquidation, you simply follow this trend. That's why, once more, about BTC. If 2 hour candle close here, for me, it would be a signal to take long trade. Only if that happens. If that won't happen, I would simply wait until BTC makes its significant drop and where it would stop, because I don't know where it could stop, because it could stop in the middle. It could make bigger drop, but definitely there would be somewhere would be a stop. Honestly, I would be really happy to see absorption here. I would be so happy, because if this would happen, for me, it would be a signal that we have bottom on altcoins. Because if Bitcoin would make a bigger drop until this area, it would be a signal that the altcoins could make even also quite significant drop. You can see at this moment, really major support is around here. Or we stay here, or here, we look for long. Nothing in between. We wait until price action would show to us. Remember that every update about BTC I will share within our community, as I do here. Below this video, there would be a link. You can join our community and get updates from us about what to do with the market, trading plans on daily basis, plus signals that will help you understand the market. Join us right now. And let's do with Ethereum. What about Ethereum? Ethereum already did significant liquidation. Ethereum, compared to many other coins, as you can see, a little bit different. What major difference between Ethereum and, for example, Solana? On Ethereum, already there was massive liquidation here. It was one of the biggest liquidations that I ever saw on Ethereum. The most important question, how deep retest would be. Because if you would analyze previous liquidations, you would see that often they would do, you can see, deep retest. Let me show to you other liquidations that was before. Big liquidation, they did lower low. Here, FTX liquidation, they retested low, Like often after significant liquidations they did, or like this one, big liquidations, they did range, they retested nearly range low. Like at this moment, it's possible that it would be something like this. We had bull trap because of news. We had those news about Bybit. Another big liquidation retested nearly low. Another big liquidation retested nearly low. That's why it is not a first time when this happens. I know at this moment it's scary, but as soon as there would be stop and some range, for us it would be a signal for potential reversal and taking these highs or even retest point of control of this entire range. But main problem at this moment, not with Ethereum, main problem with BTC, because BTC really goes down. BTC must stop. When BTC stop, with bigger chance, Ethereum would make quite beautiful rise. Additional reason, pay attention. Compared to many other coins, like Solana, on Ethereum, it was only one coin when we had this massive volume here. It is only one coin where there was this massive volume. That's why at this moment I wait for some range on Ethereum, and that range for me would be a signal to take long, like it was here. Price did retest. After that, they created local range. Range low was good place to take long. Range low, good place for long. Range low, good place for long. I wait for something like this. When this appears, I would definitely take trade, share it with our community. What you do right now, you support me with your like, follow us, go join our community, and watch video lesson about volume for you to understand how to use this really powerful tool to understand the market. Have a good time.